Hi, kids. It's Tuesday, October 20th, 2020, and here are your directions. So, the supplies needed for your live class are I need my Monsters Reader Theater. It was in the bag that I passed out, your whiteboard, and your markers, or your dry erase markers. And then for the supplies for the rest of the day, paper, pencil, colored pencil, your writing notebook, and your sketchbook. There's also this writing prompt paper that says um, something about a monster being under your bed. It's explained later. All right, so make sure to put your name here. And then I want you to watch this Magic E video. All of your spelling words have this magic E at the end that make the word long. You have your live class at 9:30, so make sure that you attend. And then you have to do your spelling super sentences. In the bag that I gave you guys, there's one page that says super sentences. You should have gotten a couple papers of it. And you need to do a sentence for each of your spelling words. And then I want you to take your markers and write over your spelling words that are in the sentence. Okay, I like to do it in rainbow colors. Like the first sentence, I use red. The second sentence, I use orange to go over the word. And then the next one, yellow, in rainbow order. But it's up to you. All right. In math, we're going to order numbers least to greatest today. And I want you to do lesson 1.7 on Seesaw or in your math workbook that it was printed out. Okay, so please watch this video about place value and ordering numbers. And then you're going to do this activity where you need to order the numbers from least, that means smallest, to greatest, the biggest. Okay? On the bottom here, you have to say if these numbers are ordered correctly from least to greatest. Is it true or false? Okay, so that one, hopefully that won't be too hard for you guys. All right, on Seesaw, you have a writing prompt. So in your bag, your writing prompt says, if I had a monster under my bed, and I want you to write at least 3 sentences or more about having a monster under your bed. How would it make you feel? What would the monster look like? Would it be a friendly monster or a scary monster? What would it do? How would it smell? Try to at least use one adjective per sentence. That's a describing word. And in your sketchbook, I want you to draw your monster of what your monster would look like. And use colored pencils to color him or her in and post your picture and your writing on the Seesaw assignment. So here's a monster that I drew on my whiteboard. All right, there's an optional math activity that's in your bag, these pumpkin problem solving sheets, and you can get 50 extra star points if you turn these in on Seesaw. Okay, so I have some directions down here. Basically, you need to use the number line, draw a picture, write a number sentence, that means just the math problem, and then put the answer down here. Okay, so watch the movie if you want to do that. And then we have the next chapter of the witches. So listen up, and then how can you spot a witch according to the little boy's grandma? Okay, so put your answer in here. Make sure you listen to the chapter first before answering that. All right, in science, we're going to start our unit on matter. And here is my favorite scientist, Bill Nye. And so find a comfy place in your house and sit down and watch this show. It should be quite entertaining. And then you have drop everything and read time. I want you to find something to read at home, or you can go on Raz Kids or Epic, and then put what you read right here. All right, then you're all done. You've completed all of your work today. So another thing that I want you guys to remember is to make sure you sign up for one of our mini field trips, okay? And let's see, down here, this is how I'm going to keep track of your stars, okay? How many stars did you get for attending live class? So if you went to live class and you got and you went to PE and you did your reading group, That would be 150 points. Okay. Then, how many stars do you think you deserved for doing your work? If you did everything that you were supposed to today and you did your best, then I would give yourself 100 points. Okay, so make sure you put 100 points in there. And then this is for learning coaches and moms and dads only. You're not allowed to fill in this last answer. You have to go with your iPad and let them put it in. 100 stars equals perfect behavior, attitude, and effort. Do you think they'll give you 100 stars today? I hope so. All right, guys, have a good day. I'm signing off. Bye.